The blinking red light on your Rogers gateway indicates a critical error, meaning your internet is likely down. This issue usually signifies that the modem can't connect to Rogers' network due to hardware or software glitches. Start by power cycling your gateway. Unplug it from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to reconnect. While it's rebooting, check all cable connections, coaxial and Ethernet, to ensure they are secure. A loose cable is a common culprit. Check Rogers' website or social media for any reported outages in your area. If a widespread outage is confirmed, the blinking red light might simply be due to network issues beyond your control, and patience is the best course of action. If the light persists after these initial steps, move on to more advanced troubleshooting. If a simple reboot doesn't work, attempt a factory reset via the gateway's web interface. This is typically accessible by typing 192.168.0.1 into a web browser when connected to the gateway's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Note that this will erase any custom settings. If a factory reset doesn't resolve the issue, use the MyRogers app to run a diagnostic test. This can often identify specific problems and suggest solutions, or even automatically schedule a technician visit. Persistent blinking red lights, especially after recent firmware updates or during extreme weather, may indicate a deeper hardware or software problem. If you've tried the troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, contact Rogers support directly via phone, chat, or in-store. Be prepared to provide your account information and a summary of the steps you've already taken. Remember, DIY repairs are not recommended, as they can void your warranty. If your gateway is faulty, Rogers will typically replace it. Also, consider investing in a surge protector to safeguard against future power-related issues.